Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys. A company called SuperClean reached out to me about a month or so ago, and I'm super excited to be doing this review today because I've actually tried some of the products, and I'm going to share with you guys like my thoughts and things like that. So yeah, I love to clean, and I'm always on the hunt for like different cleaning products that I can use. And you know, being a mom, there's always messes and spills everywhere, so you're always gotta keep like a pack of stuff, a pack of cleaning products that you can always reach out for and stuff like that, you know, even the cars and stuff like that. So everything came in this big box right here. The only thing that I don't have here is the t-shirt that they that SuperClean gave me. My husband has been wearing that to go to work, and this hat he really loves it. My head is a bit too big, so I couldn't fit this hat, but he's been using this, so that's really nice. In here in the box, it pretty much gave you a list of some of the areas where you can find SuperClean. So Walmart, you know, you have Napa Auto Parts, O'Reilly, Ace Hardware and stuff like that, so check them out there. Another one was just a flyer explaining their new floor absorbent products. I have a little sample of it right here. I didn't try it yet, but I will in the future. So that's that right here. They also give you a little guide here on how to put, like how to measure when you're mixing with water and stuff like that. And then just the back here just showing the products that they're offering pretty much, and like how they work pretty much right here. This box was quite heavy because they gave me the full-size products. So thank you SuperClean for the t-shirt, the hat, and all these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like, you know, just kind of read a little bit of what what are the products and what do they do, and where you can use them and stuff like that. So these were the bottles right here. They're super bright right here. So let's get started with the first one. This one is the multitask Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser right here, and I also have this one. It came in a regular spray bottle right here, but I use mainly this one on my oven, and I'm going to show a clip of you guys using these two products here, like later on in the video, so you guys can see. So mainly this is meant for like brakes, grills, and engines, tools, driveways, outdoor furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, stainless steel, fiberglass, concrete, and many other areas. So yeah, that's what I really like, is the multi-surface, so you can just take them around in your car. You can, you know, use it in the kitchen and the bathroom and stuff like that, so they're multi-purpose. So this one I did use. I sprayed it and let it sit for a little bit. I took a towel, wiped it down, and oh my gosh, it was amazing because it was clean. Like, you guys are gonna see the oven, like it came out so clean. The only thing that I didn't like too much about it was just mainly this, it was a bit strong. The smell was a bit strong and it bothered me a little bit. But otherwise, oh my gosh, this is really, really nice, guys. Like, if you make a mess when you're cooking like me, this was really nice. It came out really clean, and it looks shiny and stuff like that. Okay, the other one that I used was this guy. This is the all-wheel cleaner, and you guys are gonna see a little clip. I took it outside, I sprayed it, I let it sit for 30 seconds, took a towel and wiped it down and rinsed it with cold water and stuff like that. That's what it says in the back. You guys are gonna see the tires are like shining. So this was really, really nice. Yeah, so pretty much those are the two products that I did try, and overall, I mean, they work. Everything came out clean that I tried it on. And you can also follow SuperClean on social media. So they have an Instagram page, a Facebook page, and a YouTube page. So I'm gonna leave all those links down below. So once again, thank you SuperClean for reaching out to me. I did love the products. They worked really well. My only main concern was just the smell was a bit strong for the spraying one, but otherwise, I mean, they work. So I'm definitely going to be using them, and I'll look in the future about getting your products, you know, somewhere in Walmart or so. Yeah, so I'm going to leave all the videos like showing you clips of me using the products, and I'll see you guys in the next video.